Welcome. DIY face mask. 6 reversible styles. Miss Sassy Pat. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pat. Today I'm going to show you how I made my patchwork reversible masks. They are so super cute and I hope you enjoy this video. Design 1. This is so cute. I've been making masks to have something to do with the COVID, and they're so fun. So this is the reversible side, which is blue, and I'm just using material that I found at a thrift store and t-shirts that I found at the dollar store. This is design 2. This is my favorite mask. It's so much fun. I love all the colors. I just taught myself how to sew, so I'm not the best, but I am pretty good at making these masks. So pretty. Design number 3. The backing is green. And this is the silicone round, which I'll show you how to install at the end of this video. Look at all the pretty colors. It's so much fun. And I like it because my mask is one of a kind and I don't have to worry about anybody else having the same mask. So super cute. Design 4. In the backing is a green and white. Now some of the fabric I found at Walmart, they had a section where you could get some material for $2 and $4, which was a great buy. Design number 5, and pink, which is from a t-shirt from the dollar store. So cute is this mask. What do you guys think? And my last design, design 6, I found a patch. It's so cute. This is the back. So super cute. How to install mask adjustable silicone round. So this is the sewing machine that I'm using. It's a Kenmore 385. I found it at a thrift store and it is so nice. I'm still learning how to use it. I found these fabric pieces at the thrift store, and what I do is sew 3 pieces together for top and 3 for the bottom, and then I connect them. And this is the elastic that I found at Amazon. It is so nice and it's a great quality. And these are the soft plastic silicone rounds that I'm using. One side it has a smaller hole, the other one has the larger opening. So that's it there, and that's how they look. Please excuse my nails. So I'm going to take this latch hook and I'm going to insert it first in the smaller end with the smaller hole, and then I'm just going to push it through. And then I'm going to take the elastic band, then I'm going to close the latch hook, and then I'm going to push the silicone piece through and unhook it. And that's how you install the silicone round adjustable buckle. So easy. I also got the silicone rounds from Amazon as well. I received 200 and it was perfect. So please leave a comment if you'd like me to do another tutorial on how I make this mask. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.